Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to set up assistive access on your iPhone. Now if you want to set up assistive access on an iPhone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now assistive touch is an accessibility feature that allows you to use your iPhone even if you have difficulty touching the screen or pressing the buttons. Now to enable it, you just need to open the settings app on the iPhone. So this gear like icon is the settings app. So you just need to open the settings app on your iPhone and you just need to scroll down and tap on accessibility. So if you don't know what an accessibility is, then you'll find it under the option of general and above the option of camera. So click on the option of accessibility and here you'll see the option of physical and motor section. So if you scroll down, you'll see the option of physical and motor section or various option of it. So if you scroll down on the accessibility section, you will see the option of voiceover, zoom and all of it, and also the option like touch, face ID and attention, switch controls and all of it. So to enable the assistive access, you just need to scroll down and you'll see the option of assistive access. So click on it and a pop-up will appear saying set up assistive access. So click on the option of setup and you may click on the option of continue and again click on the option of continue. So you may select the app you wanna optimize for the assistive access. So you may choose the app from here and you may simply click on the option of continue. So after doing all of it, you will be able to set up the assistive access or assistive touch on your iPhone. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.